Hey guys, welcome to our next video about CMD. And today we are going to look at network CMD commands. So we are going to start by writing CMD in our search bar, then we click open. So you see a black program is displayed on our screen, and this is command prompt, which is the command user interface. This is the command user interface. This is the graphical user interface. So we are going to start by typing R because we want to change our text from white to green. So shall write car space 02, then click enter. So you see it has changed from white to green. So if you want to change another color, maybe you want pink, you can type color slash question mark. You see, when you want to change other colors, you can change to black, blue, green, up to bright white. So let us go straight by writing our first network CMD command, which is ARP. This ARP in full, it is called address resolution protocol, and this allows you to view and modify the RP codes. So let us enter. See, so you see, displays and modifies the IP to physical address translation tables used by the ARP. So you are seeing having many options, which displays current RNP entries by interrogating the current protocol data. If init address is specified, the IP and the physical addresses for only the specified computer are displayed. So we are going to use ARP space then A. Now you can see the interface address, the physical address, the type. So this is the internet address as you are seeing here, which is from 7.2.16.8.1. Then this is physical address, then this is the type, which is dynamic. So let us go to another command, which is ipconfig. So this ipconfig is a command line tool that displays the current configuration of the installed internet protocol stack on a networked computer. And so it displays a detailed configuration report for all interfaces. And here, a computer protocol, it is referred to as a set of rules that govern the exchange of information over a network. So we are going to type. Now you can see it is displaying wireless IP configuration, wireless LAN adapter local area connection as Telec 1. So LAN is referred to as the local area network. So we are going to see more options under ipconfig by typing ipconfig slash all. Now you can see hostname Isaac, primary IP router link enabled. So let's continue to identifying other options by typing ipconfig slash question mark. Now you can see the options here. We're having slash question mark or release 6 renew up to set classic D6, which modifies the IPv6 DHCP class. So the DHCP class ID info is called Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol info. So you can see here ipconfig show information, ipconfig/o show detailed information, then ipconfig renews or adapters. So another command is netstart. 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 It displays active transmission control protocol connections, ports in which the computer is listening. So let us hit enter button to see how netstart works. So now you can see it has displayed active connections, protocol, local address, foreign address, state. So now you can see the system is displaying TCP 172.16.13.56.52.465 and the foreign address is A0000, then HTTPS, then the state is crossword, and the HTTP is also under protocols which govern the exchange of information, and HTTP info, it is called hypertext transfer protocol. So you can see more options under netstart by typing netstart slash question mark. So now you can see A, B up to interval, and A displays all the connections and listening ports. So let us see, can netstart space A display all these connections and the listening ports? Let us try it and we see netstart space A. Now you can see it has displayed the listening ports, and one of our ports is TCP 00135 Isaac listening. So this you can see the listening ports, and you can see other ports which are still in a crossword mode, and you can see other listening ports, and also you can see these UDP ports. So that's our netstart command. And also, like when we want to see a routing table between IPv4 and IPv6, you can type netstart space R, then enter. Now you can see our IPv4 route table and our IPv6. So let us go back and we see in our options, look for netstart R. You can see R is here, displays the routing table. So you can see it has displayed a routing table. Routing table. Routing table. Our routing table is here. So you can see IPv4, IPv4, active routes, you can see network destination, you can see net mask, can see gateway interface, then metric. So our IPv6 ultimates here. You can see the metric, the if, the network destination, then this is our gateway. So let us quote another program which is NBS Start. NBS Start is designed to help troubleshoot NET BIOS name resolution problems, and BIOS info it is called basic input and output system. So we shall write our command which is nbs start, then we shall enter. You see. So let us try it another time. cnbt start. Now you can see it has displayed the protocol statistics. It displays the protocol statistics and current TCP/IP connections using NBT. So you can see under options, you can see A lists the remote machine name table given its name. Then A in uppercase lists the remote machine's name given its IP address up to RR, which is release refresh. So release refresh, it sends name release packets to wins and then starts refresh, then list, then last but not least interval redisplays selected statistics, pausing interval seconds between each display. Yeah. So let us go to our next code which is net. So our net command is used to perform operations on groups, users, account policies, then shares. You can see net. So you see accounts, computer, config, continue, file, group, help, statistics, up to few. So for instance, when you put net accounts, it is used to set the policy settings on a local computer such as account policies and password policies. So this command cannot be used on domain controller. This command is only used on a local computer in case you want to discover more about net commands. Then let's go on NS lookup. NS lookup, it enables a user to look up an IP address of a domain or a host from a network. So NS lookup command allows you for a reverse lookup using the IP address to find the domain or host associated with that IP address. Let us enter PC. So now you can see our default server is Elite Fastport IO, and the IP address of our server is 172.16.81. So you can open another window of command prompt. Continue. So let us go to press start. Press start is a route tracing utility that displays a list of near side router interfaces of the routers along the path between the source host and the destination. So it uses the IPTTL field in ICP-M echo requests and ICP-M time exceeded messages to determine the path from source to a destination through an IP internet walk. In press enter, you see they are saying press start is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program, or a batch file. So maybe we can write trace start slash question mark, see more options under trace start. Now we are seeing B, do not resolve hard, do not resolve addresses to host names, maximum number of hoops search for a target. So you can see the options under trace start. So let us go to our next command, which is FTP, which is file transfer protocol. File transfer protocol, it is a standard network protocol used for the transfer of computer files between a client to a server on a computer network. So for instance, if you want to transfer your files from a client computer to a server computer, you can use this code. This code can really work for you. Can really work for you. Can really work for you. Really work for you. So let us go to getmark, and getmark returns the media access control, which is the MAC address and list of network protocols associated with each address for all network cards in each computer, either locally or across the network. So let us see the getmark command and see how it applies. Now you can see the it has displayed the physical address and the transport name. So when you want to see more about getmark options, you can write getmark slash question mark. Now you can see it has displayed its description, which is this tool enables an administrator to display the media access control address for network adapters on a system. So you can see the parameter list, and you can see the examples here. Then ping command is usually used as a simple way to verify that a computer can communicate over the network with another computer or a network device. So let us enter this how ping works. So you can see our ping. They are showing usage, then options, then they are saying T ping the specified host, Q stopped, resolve addresses to host names, then any count number of echo requests send up to 6 forcing using IPv6, then P ping Hyper-V network visualization provider address. So that's how ping works. Let's go to route. Route command is used to view and manipulate the IP routing table in both Unix like and Microsoft Windows OS. So manipulation of the routing table is a characteristic of a statistical routing or a statistic routing. So let us make a round. Let us make let us see how route works, and therefore after we make a route print. So you can see here they are showing us manipulates routing tables. F clears the routing tables before gateway entries. This is used in conjunction is one of the commands that the tables are cleared prior to running code. So examples: add 1500 mask 15500, then up here. Then examples they are showing us route print 4 and 6, route print 157. So here it only prints those addresses matching 157. So let us first make a route print. We see, so we shall write route space print. So now you can see our route table, IPv4 route table, then our IPv6 table. So there is another option apart from entering route print command. You can also use another command to provide the same results by typing let's start space r. So you see the results are the same. The results are really the same whether you use route print or route or net start r. So let us go to our next code, which is Secure Shell. This network protocol, it is used for operating network services securely over an insecure network. So let us write SSH in uppercase. So you can see the output, which is usage SSH 46A CFG KKMN M2S TVVXXYY in brackets B, which is bind interface. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell, and don't forget to comment. So we are going to go on our last command of showing the profiles of a network. So how can we see the profiles of a network? So I know many of you are wondering, how are we going to see this thing happen? So it's very simple. You type net sh, which is network show, then WLAN network show wireless local area network, then show profile, then enter. Now you can see our profile. They are saying profiles on internet, on interface, Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi in full is called wide fidelity. Then our user profiles, having number 1 Sinocom access Wi-Fi, number 2 first spot, last but not the least TP link. So these are our user profiles. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much for the support, and the next tutorial is coming. Wait for it. Thank you.